Mhm. Mhm. That one it got over. So leo tunasoma patterns. Wacha namba iongezeke kidogo, nikuwe tu nimechora hapa. Tunasoma patterns. So tutatumia tunaanzia na double top and double bottom. That is what we are starting with today. Mfika 20. Ongezeke. Haisaseni. So nimeona ingize message for at least inaingiza text. Although jioni sitapatikana. Olani, ndio nimeamka. I have slept. Bora fileta kwa karibu choka bado. Jioni sita manage kuingia class ya jioni. Kuna place naenda. Kuna event nafanya attend leo. Asiwezi miss, so I'll try to cover up nini ya leo. Na also wenye tutakuwa nao nitatry ku cover up leo. Ndio nitume link kwa easy msi kunipata. Nitatry ku cover up kenye naweza saa hizi, then tutaendelea hiyo ingine kesho. Nataka hiyo namba iongezeke. Mko wengi. I've done the class at the wrong time. But I will continue though. I will continue with it. So when you watajoin baadaye. Wenye wanataka kusoma watakuja kusoma baadaye. Mwenye nisi waste time mob. So the first pattern tunadeal nayo. Tunadeal na pattern inaitangwa double top. Double. That is it. And these patterns, they are very, very important. Kuna reason nazifunza. Bila kufunza zile vitu najuanga, tumie ni zenye zimefanya forex nilipe. Ni zenye zimefanya nifike hapa penye nimefika na forex. And they are very, very important. Anything nakuja nasema hapa. I'm not filtering out anything. I train you what I know. Yeah? And it becomes very easy. It becomes very easy ukizijua. So the first pattern yenye tunasoma, which is very, very important, ni pattern inaitwa double top. Haya nionyeshe. Nataka achore. This pattern. So we have this pattern inaitangwa double top. Double top ni market ilikuwa imetoka sides za chini ikafika kwa resistance. kufika kwa resistance hapa ikashindwa kubreak, na nimesahau tena. Tukafika, sorry, kuna kitu nilikuwa naangalia. So hii ni double bottom, tumeenda kusaidia chini, tukafika hadi kwa resistance. Resistance ikashindwa kubreakiwa. Market ikarudi katikati to a certain place in the center hapa. We usually call it the neckline, and then ikarudi tena kwa resistance, ikashindwa kubreak, making the market range at these two position. Imeshindwa kwenda side ya juu above the resistance kidogo before nisahau. Before nisahau, one minute. Kuna kitu nafaa ni explain before tuanzie double top na double bottom. Kuna kitu inaitangwa breakout. Breakout ni market ikibreak, either iendelee kwenda side ya juu ama iendelee kwenda side ya chini. Sasa ni venyewe market ibreak iende side ya juu, lazima ibreak na body. Taonyesha kitu. Acha sijui kwenye niko na hii whiteboard, na sijui inaitangwa aje. I do not know kwenye niliweka new pen. Sijui kwenye niliweka pen, ingekuwa easy kuichora hapo. Yes, finally. Ndio hii. Nimeona kenye nilikuwa natafuta. Sorry. Nimeona kenye nilikuwa natafuta. Ushina nikichora hapa, it's quite hectic na ni stress sana. Juu nitashinda nikiweka chini, si explain vizuri. One minute. Dogo ni kitu rangi. Nini nilikuwa natafuta juu kuchora hizo vitu quite hectic. Sitaki kuamka. I do not want to stand at all. 1 minute. Good. Yeah. I think hii itakuwa easier kutumia whiteboard. Kutumia whiteboard itakuwa rahisi kwangu kuliko hiyo ingine. So nataka kwanza kuongelelea breakout. Breakout ni kumaanisha our market was going up. Our market was going. For this market to proceed to go up, it has to break this area. Now in Forex, for the market to break, it has to break with the body. A candlestick. Remember the candlestick we said, a candlestick has two sections. This is the body. This is called the wick. So for the market to break the resistance, this is our resistance, it has to break with the body like that, so that it can proceed to go up. If the market goes up and the body is below the resistance, only the wicks are up, or maybe at a zero up, the market will go back to the direction it came to get up to there. So for the market to break even the support so that it can proceed to continue going down. Bro, I mean, I will go for something. For the market to proceed either to go down on that direction, it has to break with the body. The support has to be broken by the body of the candlestick. And if the market is unable to break, so tunashuka hivyo, we are going down, and then like that, and then the body is above the support, the market will go back up. This is our support. So for the market to break, either to move up, to go up, or to decide to go back down, the resistance has to be broken by the body of the candlesticks. And also on the other side of the support, the market has to be broken by the body. If it's unable to break with the body, it doesn't matter the week, how long the week is. Now huku say that it doesn't matter. That still mean the market is not yet broken. Ati hatumnisikie. Oh, ni mimi nimeshika mouthpiece, pole. Saizi mnanisikia? So it has to break with the body. Let me kidogo. I have to do something. Oh yeah. Oja kwanza nimalize class. I was going for something, I don't have something to wipe the board with. So if I explain it again, let me explain it for the last time. I wanted something to wipe the board with. This is what I mean. The market was going up like that. For it to break this area, or for the market to proceed to go back, let's say our resistant area is here, it has to break with the body. That's why we have said the market it may break. It has broken the resistance. If the market comes and the body is below the resistance, the market usually go back down to the area it originated from. So for the market to proceed going up or reversing, if we have to go up, it has to break the resistance with the body. If it's unable to break the resistance with the body, this is what usually happens. It goes back down. Now, our first pattern, I had to explain that because there is somewhere in the double bottom and double top. I have to explain it. You're starting with a double top. Our market originated on the lower side. Go to our resistance. This is our resistance. Go to our resistance. It was unable to pass there. It went back down to a certain area, let's say up to there. Suppose the market to decide up to which area, right? Then it went back up to the resistance. It was unable to break again. Now, this is where now you trade. A double top, this is the area you trade. Now, you draw a line here, and we call it, because of this area where the market bounced back up, where our market had gotten, you draw a line there. Now, when you draw a line there, this is where you trade. You sell at this position. You sell at this position. Your TP should be on the neckline. That's why we are placing a line here. your take profit, TP. Take profit, those who are asking what a TP is, your take profit should be here. That is the first trade we usually have for a double top. Now, I want us to check it right now. I want us to check it double top right now on... I want us to check it right now, right? Yes, good, perfect. We had one. This one. Our market originated from this area, right? It originated from this area, went up to this area. The market was unable to break, you see? It got up to that area, it went down, it went back again. Now, if it's unable to break this area, or it gives you candlesticks for reversal, because it really did give us candlesticks for reversal. It gave us engulfing, pin bar, evening star here. It gave us evening star, evening star. So, what you usually do, you sell. This is how you sell. This is how you sell. The moment that market broke that area, you sell. Oh, I will show you how to make entry. Let me just first show you the structure first. You sell from this area up to here, the neckline. I insist you sell up to the neckline. Let me give you another example. We had, jump 10. Yes. Jump 10, we had the same thing. We had a double top. Our market originated from here, went up. It was unable to break this area. It went back down. Our market tried again to break that area. It was unable to break. It gave a candlestick for reversal. Here, you can see them. Yeah? That's why I told you it's very important to know. Now, when it did that, it was supposed to sell back to the neckline. This is what you trade. It was supposed to King, address to size. You sell it from here up to the neckline. So you sell from here up to the neckline. Okay? You sell this is where your trade should be. You sell it from here to the neckline. So, yes, I am. Let me tell you one thing, yeah? Kama una pesa za kutrade, mnaona pesa za kutrade, mwezi wekelea pesa kidogo, mnaeka lot kubwa, then still, I'm still the one who comes to be addressed. First of all, I do not control the market. You people forget that. Me, I do not control the market. And if you think this is not... So, ukisome hivi, you do not have to pay me for signal. As long as you get what I train right now here. You won't need me anymore. You're gonna go and trade on your own. Yeah? See, me, when I used to be paid, for me to train someone, the I'm training right now, I'm usually paid 50 Gs. If it's money I was looking for, trust me, I'll be charging for classes. For me to come and sit here, ningekuwa nimelala by then, nimeamka nikalala. Nimeamka hapo nilikuwa nimelala, nikakuja kufunzana. By then ningetaka, ningedoze. Well, inanisaidia na nini in the first place? Why am I even doing this? Because you are the people who make me just like leave people alone, stop helping them. But at the end of the day, I was committed to this. So you can come, trade all, talk all you want. Mimi nakufunza, nimeanza kufunzana from basics to pattern to analysis. If that one doesn't help you, wewe unaona tu pesa za next year, then you're in the wrong place. Na usikuje kunibosa, hizi ndio nimeamka mimi. Naona mpaka macho bado imefura. You take your rubbish comment and go. If you think this won't help you, ukishika kenye na kuonyesha hapa, you don't even need to buy signals. For what? Any kitu unaweza jifanyia wewe mwenyewe, but in the first place ampendi kusoma. Wewe umeshikilia sijui Euro GP wewe uliblow. Grow up. Can some people just grow the fuck up? If I wanted to kulipishwa mimi ni train mtu, it's usually 50k, and that one I do not even do anymore. If it's this money unafikiri natafuta sana. Mko watu wangapi? 49. Out of that unafikiri nimeitishwa classes na watu wangapi? Bro, get some life and get out of my life. Hapa. Sorry ka UGPY ilikublow account. So sorry ka ilikublow account, but next time fanya money management. Si kuingia ka address ana trading ana nini account. Nitango aje na controlling nini. Hapana, sometimes I have to address them because they're the same comment which make me not do anything. I just watch people. I go a whole year because at the end of the day, what am I gaining? I'm not gaining anything. I'm sitting here 1 hour and something talking to the people I don't usually know, teaching them what I know. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Because Babu, I do not like retakes. By the way, na niliambia watu. Good. Niliambia watu, don't come here to nini comment nonsense. By the way, sakangi uchinga from a long time. Sababu, don't come to my life to do bullshit. I'll block you. Sasa hizi hakuna kitu mtu ananisaidia. Because at the end of the day, nataka mwache complain, watu wanaprovidia siku. Nataka ujifanyie wewe mwenyewe. You see how easy it is, but anyway, I had to address that one. Kani pesa natafuta, I swear to God, ningekuwa nimeanza mwenyewe hata classes, aniambie na class ni 50 Gs. Whenever I get 10 people, the fuck? Ni boss hizi, ndio nimeamka sina moods. Now, we go back to Kenya nilikuwa nasema. You sell here, take profit iko hapa. Sell hapa, take profit wapi? Iko hapa. This is the same thing we have with I've said this is the same thing we have with V10. It originated from here, from the double top here, you see? This area and this area. So you usually sell this one here. You sell it from here, take profit unaweka kwa neckline hapa. Mostly iweke kwenye body iko. I like my lens pin where the body is. Either. Come, you sell from here, take profit wapi? Hapa. Entry nitaonyesha how you make entry for the double top. The same with this one. It had a double top. This is a crash 1000. It had a double top here. You can see the double top. The neckline is here. You sell from here, take profit on the neckline. Now when the market breaks, the neckline like that, it usually does a retest and then go back down to where it originated from. It goes back down where it originated from. So when the double top is done, already you had a sell here, the TP was here. The second trade is supposed to be here when the market breaks. So you sell again here and take profits where the market originated from. The TP, you sell it again here, you sell it here, and then again from the TP, where the TP is here, where it originated from. Let me show you. We had a double top. The market did the what? It did a retest. You can see? Did a retest. Now it's going back to where it originated from. The double top, the first double top originated from here. It's where the other one is getting to. It's easy as that. It goes back to where it originated from. Let me show you again. This is a double top. Yeah. Our first trade was this one. You sell from here up to the neckline. After the neckline is broken, the market usually does a retest. And then it goes back to where it originated from. Where this market came from, the first one, it's where the second one will go to. It's where the second one will go to. Now, another thing you have to know. You have to know the time frame the double top was formed. Let me show you why. On that time frame, we can see we have a double top because these are wicks which are touching that position, right? When you go to 12 hours, let me show you, you can see there. When you go to 12 hours, you can see we do not have a double top. Why? These candlesticks, we have bodies on the upper side of the market, which have erected our double top. So 12 hours doesn't have a double top. The market which has a double top, let's go to 8 hours. 8 hours we have a double top. So there is no bodies on the upper side of the market. So there is a reason why I'm saying that. The reason why I'm saying that is to check on the time frame to use when checking the breakout of the market on this area. Here najua itakuwa complicated. Sometimes acha tu niendelee. 6 hours we do not have a double top. 6 hours we don't have a double top because this area and this area are not the same. We have some bodies on the upper side. Let me see. 4 hours still we do not have a double top. 4 hours, 6 hours we do not have a double top. 8 hours we do have a double top. 12 hours we do not have a double top. And on daytime frame we have a double top. So the best time to use for a breakout, when I mean a breakout, it's when this market came and broke this neckline so that it can proceed to go down. Here. The only time you're supposed to check that market is on 8 hours and daytime frame. I know this will be the hardest thing I will explain. Now, whenever you check out the chart, you will see a double top. Like I said, we trade from 4 hours going up. Now, this is where the trick come in. The double top is easier to break, and this is how the market gives you something we call fake breakouts, because you didn't check the time frame which has formed the double top. You didn't check. Maybe you saw the double top with day time frame and you didn't check the other time frame, or you saw it with 4 hours, you didn't check that. So if you saw it with 8 hours candlesticks, the 8 hours candlestick moja ina represent 8 hours. Candlestick ya 4 hours ukiona 4H candlestick moja ina represent 4 hours time frame. So a double top is, I will explain that. So if in 4 hours you didn't see a double top, even if that market break with a 4-hour candlestick, you're not supposed to take a trade, because that one can be a fake trade. Now this is where FOREX comes. I do not know if you're getting my point, but let me try to explain with a chart. Maybe it's gonna make sense. As I explain, kwa nini huyu amesema hivyo. Ameniuliza kitu hapa very deep, ameniuliza a very important question. I will answer it. Now, I want to show you something. You see here, this is a wick and this is a wick. And I said this, wick do not show breakout. Wick do not show breakout, only the body. If the body is on the upper side, it means the market had a false breakout. Like it had you can see, it had a false breakout. I have placed on top of this wick. You can see. In this market, we do not have that double top. Why? Because we have body kwa side ya juu. Kwa body, we say that market has broken there. That is not, they're not in the same position kwa sababu we have bodies on the upper side. This one is the one which determine where this, our last top will come in, reach. The first one, the first top is the one which determine where the second top should reach. Okay, up to there. We start from there. The first top, this one, our first double top, is the one which determine, naonyesha saizi, it's the one which determine where this top should get up to. The first top, this one, the first top we have here. It's the one which determine where the market should reach and where the market has a neckline, the first top. So this one, the second top comes toward here, what this one has already done. It should come back up, but it's not supposed to break the level. It's not supposed to break this level. It's not supposed to break key level. It's not supposed to break this level. And it has broken with the body. I've said breakout in Forex are checked by the body. Now we go to 8 hours. 8 hours, you see we have week, the week is here. We have this one. We do not have bodies on the upper side. We have only the week. The week is not a breakout. I've said that when I was starting this topic, yes? So, they're in the same level because the market was unable to break on the upper side. And that is on 8 hours. You can see on 8 hours. On 12 hours, the same market. Let's go back to it. We can't say this one is a double top. Why? The week is here. The market got up to this area, but the market has body on the upper side. Meaning, a double top, our double top is not on 12 hours. Meaning, our 12 hours is already out. It's already out. The 12 hours is already out. The 12 hours is out. It didn't form the double top. So you can never check this breakout yake. This one you can never check it. Like a breakout for. You can never trade this market. You won't trade this market with 12 hours. Why? Because the 12 hours didn't form the double top. Because we do not have it here. I've said double top is where the market is on the same level in the resistance on the lower side. This one we do not have. But when we come to 8 hours, we do have it. You see? Here and here, we do not have any candlestick breaking on the upper side. Now, what happened is, you're going to wait for 8 hours, candlestick here, 8 hours to break here. Then, you sell. You can sell it here or you can wait for the market to do a retest, then you sell. Another thing, volatility. This is on volatility. This one is specific on volatility. Volatility, the market starts at the market candlesticks. The new opening of a new candlestick is usually at 3 a.m. in the morning. That is the beginning of a new candlestick in volatility. So from 3 a.m., 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a new candlestick for 4 hours is formed at 7 a.m. So the market opened at 3 a.m. A 4-hour candlestick that is completed at 7 a.m. in the morning. The next one is usually at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. meaning a candlestick for 8 hours. You have to wait from 3 a.m. up to 11 a.m. so that you can determine if you're trading that market. Yes, you have to wait for 8 hours. If your structure is showing you the double top is formed by 8 hours, you're gonna be waiting for that market to be forming 8 hours candlestick. So I've said, let me write 3 a.m., 7 a.m., 11, pardon a.m., pardon. Then 23 p.m., 7 p.m. We go back to 7 p.m. We go back to 11 p.m. Jioni bado. And then we go back to 3 again, 3 a.m. These are the time frame for volatility For every 4 hours, in between here, it's 4 hours. 4 hours. This is a time frame for 4 hours for volatility. Those who are asking. Candlesticks for volatility are formed. And the cycle, now this is a cycle. We get up to 11, the market goes back. Like that. This is a cycle time frame for volatility for 4 hours. So if you're checking any market for candlesticks for 12 hours, you check them at 3. Tunalekea 3. Meaning 8 hours. Not 8 hours. The remaining 8 minutes to 3. So if you are checking 12 hours for volatility, from 3 a.m. you're supposed to trade at 3 p.m. That is our day for volatility. So this is how you get it. For 6 hours, you divide this one by 2. From every hour, you remove time frame up or katikati. I hope this one help. But this is a 4 hours time frame for volatility from 3 a.m., 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m., 11 p.m. Those are the time frames for the volatility. So we go back to whatever I was saying. Double top we have here with the 8 hours. So you had to wait. If you were trading with the 8 hours, you had to wait that market up to up to 11. The first 4 hours, the next 4 hours, the 8 other candlestick 8 hours ilikuwa inaformiwa. The first candlestick 8 hours ilikuwa inaformiwa. It's usually formed at 11 p.m. in mchana. 11 p.m. Okay? So you wait for the candlestick to break. You see? Walikuja waka break na body. Hapa. So you can sell it here, wait for the market to do a retest, and it's dropping. It's supposed to drop up to there. Now another thing. How do you know which section I'm using? London, Tokyo. Yo, which kind of rephrase your question again. Because to me, when it comes to trading, I do not usually check sessions. I usually check time frame and my setups. I check time frame like for Forex. For Forex, start at midnight at 12. So calculate 12, 1, 2, and 3. So at 4, when it's at 4, that is when you're forming another new candlestick. So I do not usually check if I'm using Tokyo, London. Those ones now is on Iliacha, now ni wongo. I stop checking evil. I usually check my setup. Unless I'm trading, like I'm looking if Audi will go very fast. I want to trade it mostly in the morning. But I usually check depending on my setup, not the session. I check according to my setup, which I have. As the market broken with the 4 hours I was looking for, vitu kama hizo, I do not usually check if it's Tokyo or if it's London or it's Asian markets. I do not check hizo. So I have another thing to show, still on double top, and I went that I will train only double top. Double bottom I will come and do it tomorrow. Sababu kuna ingine, when the market breaks, another double top, it goes halfway. I will show you what I mean by halfway. It's another trick which the market uses a lot. So let me show you. We have a double top here. Oh shit. We have a double top here. We have a double top here. Now, it gets to a neckline, it breaks. Instead of doing a retest, remember, the retest is supposed to be like this. The market breaks, does a retest. You see, like a small retest, and then it doesn't do a retest. It goes halfway. It drops that market halfway. I mean, no, you see, from here up to here, it goes, let's say, halfway. Halfway, I think, when it's a bit down. It goes halfway. You see, from here up to here, it goes halfway. When it goes halfway, it didn't do a retest. It break kama imeenda. It broke the market and then just went down and down and down and down and down. It got to the halfway. I'm gonna show you on the chart. It would be easier for me to explain kwa chart. It went halfway. We measured this one up to here, from the neckline below, not the double top. From here, going down, it went halfway. Did that. Then went back up to the neckline to do a retest, then dropped. Let me show you. Yes, it's very commonly used. Jam 75 has it. Yeah, Jam 75 has it. Let me show you. No, wait, no, Jam 75 doesn't have it. Is it? Yes. Oh, yeah. Let me show you. Step index has it. Step index has it. Let me show you right now. Step index, we had a double top. We had our first top and our second top. We had a double top. Double top umeiona wapi? What has it done? I told you V25 will fall because of that market. Tulikuwa wapi? I was at step index. Now, step index had a double top. You see this? This is a double top. Waka break. The market was broken. Waka break. Instead of doing a retest, the market did not do a retest. It went halfway. Both are the best. It went, you measure this one from here up to down. I want us to measure from here where it originated from. I've told you we have a double top. Our double top originated, the lowest originated from here, came and formed our first top, then wakaform a pili. Now, I've said this. There's another trick the market uses, and it's as simple as this. Our market formed a double, and this is a mistake I did the other day. Step index sikuwa nimeiona hivi. I don't know what I was checking from, but it really messed me up. This trade really messed me up, but no worries. So, this is a double top. Our market went halfway. Halfway ni hapa, we have 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Half ya hii arrow ni hapa. The market went halfway. We can even put a line there. The market went nini? Halfway. And then it did what? It went back up to the neckline to do a retest. Then it's supposed to fall. It's supposed to go down completely. Step index. It went, it came, got to halfway, went back up to do a retest. Then, after hapo, it went back down. Tuko pamoja? Are we together? This is a double top. It originated from here. I've said they do another trick. If they do not do a retest, any line broken has to be retested. So you get up to halfway, it went back to do a retest, then the market went back down. This is what I'm talking about in a structure. This one. Okay? This is what I'm talking about in a structure. So we have three of them. We have the first one. We said the first trade for a double top is this one. I hope umechora you. I don't know how to explain it again. I said this video you can come and watch again. I said the first one, you sell, take profit here. Okay? When that one is done, unaweza ikulia mara mbili, you talk a trade up because the market can be unable to break that one and go up, forming something called a bullish flag. Umetokea huko kwa neckline. So if they break, they do a retest, the market goes down. If it doesn't do a retest, if the market doesn't do a retest, the market doesn't do what? A retest, and it continue dropping, chances it's gonna get up to halfway of that market, then goes up and drop. That's it. So you can sell it here, you can sell it again here, to take profit, take it there. That is what step index said. And you can see we had a double top, the market got to halfway, went back to the neckline to do a retest. Now it's supposed to fall out to this area where the market originated from. Any question before I go? That's all I was covering up. A double top. Double bottom is the same, but I'll cover it again as I explain. Tena. Now, I insist, you have to know the double top imeformiwa na time frame gani. The double top imeformiwa na nini? Na time frame gani. You have to know. The double top imeformiwa na time frame gani. Either ni 12 hours, unaiona na 12 hours. Either unaiona na 12 hours. Kama si 12 hours unaiona nao, ama ni 4 hours, ama ni 6 hours. When it comes to volatility, when it comes to Forex, just maintain 4 hours and day time frame. And still, remember, it can be formed by month candlesticks, yes. Mwezi, months. Like, let me show you, gold. Where is gold? Gold had a double top for a month. This has been one weird December that Forex na make do. Like, it is one of those weird December. But December has really paid well. Let me push in. As you hata kwa any trades za Forex. Inakataa kunitolea chat. Kidogo tu. Hii kitu inakataa kunitolea chat. Let me see. Oh, we had another one. Where is it? Pound USD. Pound USD had a double top on weekly. I want to show you. Kwanza ilikuwa ya monthly. Double top was for monthly ama weekly. Nataka kuona kama ita load, because it's taking forever before it load. One minute. kidogo tu. What if you see a double top on only one time frame? Use I mean a daily time frame only. Use that daily time frame. Trade na day time frame. Itabidi sasa umeamka kuangalia venye market imefunga, unaangalia venye market imefunga usiku. If kama haija break na unagojea the following day break, you have to wait. You have to be really patient with that market. By the way, that's the only way that market will pay you. Waiting for this. I don't know what's up on my internet, my laptop. Let me show you before you decide otherwise. This is a double top. You see? This is on weekly time frame. They have a lot of fake breakout. They had a lot of... See, the double top originated from here, formed the first top, formed the second top. Then you can break, it went back to where the market originated from. And it even did a retest, a nice one. This one didn't do a halfway retest. I do not understand why gold haitaki kunipea nini. I do not believe you on double top. Here gold hapana. There is a not know why my laptop is misbehaving like that. How to trade a double top on a downloaded market. Already market yenye ishai form, so what you look for ni other entries. So I think that's it. Am I supposed to explain any other thing? Am I supposed to explain any other thing before I go? Any last question? Time frame, if you've seen the double top with day time frame, stick with day time frame. If you see it with 4 hours, you can even see it with day time frame, then you see it with 4 hours time frame. Use the shorter time frame, but nothing below 4 hours. Wasewa 1 hour na huko chini at 15 minutes, please. This one is not. Mostly mimi na trading long term. Nini napendanga surety, because the bigger the time frame you use kwa market ya forex, the more accurate ukua. The more accurate market ukua. Sawa? Kuna swali yote tutapatana kesho, kwa sababu today I've said I won't manage kukua for class ya jioni. I'm attending something. Jioni kuna kitu I'm supposed to attend. So go digest on a double top. Go look for them on your chart and see if they are gonna make a lot of sense. So there's no way I explain deeper than that. But niki explain double bottom, it's the same as double top. It's gonna really help. Tuko pamoja. Share, save video. Anyone mwenye unataka asome double top, mtag hapo asome. And they are very, very important, by the way. But anyways, ukiona hapa ushiki, but I no longer train. Funzangi siku hizi, like individually. I got tired. I have a lot to do, so I just got tired. Nitaeleza vitu mob tukikuja kwa analysis. Tukimaliza double top nitaeleza now how to make mostly entry kenye unaangalianga. Sawa. Let me go. I have somewhere to rush to, and then sasa tutaongea. Have a lovely evening.